A fully loaded gaming setup or high-end laptop are not always within everyone's budget. After all, if you look at their top-of-the-line models, those gaming accessories might cost an arm and a leg. But everyone can play games, even bargain hunters. What's up, guys? Today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best gaming laptop under $800 on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 best picks, and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Starting at number 1. MSI GF63 Thin Gaming Laptop. When it comes to delivering new laptops and gaming hardware for its ardent customers, MSI has demonstrated for many years that it is still a real powerhouse. Not to add that they are renowned for producing equipment that is affordable. And now that the MSI 63 Franks Thin is available, gamers have another choice without having to worry too much about their budgets. NVIDIA Force GTX 1650 powers the visuals in GF63, so even if you're devoted to playing continuously, you won't experience any visual lag. When you are beginning your gaming adventures and want something affordable but capable, the MSI GF63 Thin 9SC614 is a great thin gaming laptop to acquire. Finally, we highly recommend. It is a very good laptop, and it has very good customer reviews on Amazon, so you can order without any worries. At number 2. Acer Nitro 5. Many gamers who wanted to play on an Acer PC but don't have the money to buy a Predator turn to the Nitro series. They have effectively carried on their tradition of accessibility and functionality with their newest Acer Nitro 5 2020. Budget laptop choices often stick with 7th or 8th generation models, although the Nitro 5 increased its price point. This makes it possible for players to operate apps and games without tiring out. For gamers, a powerful processor is essential because they frequently run demanding apps every day. You can multitask to your heart's delight if you pair this with an 8GB 4 Dominican pesos that is upgradable to 32GB. Additionally, some games can be run at 1080 for the finest image quality. Overall, the Acer Nitro 5 laptop is a desirable and reasonably priced option. Additionally, the red backlit keyboard is a nice feature and has a gaming vibe. At number 3. Acer Aspire 5. Without a question, Acer Aspire laptops will continue to please a wide range of people across the globe. The majority of customers favor Acer equipment because of its exceptional price-value ratio. However, the Aspire 5 is one of their most effective and cost-effective Acer laptops. The 8th generation IU is the engine that drives the Acer Aspire 5. You may have noticed that the majority of the gaming laptops on this list that cost under $800 are powered by Intel i5. Given that it offers more processing power, this is a good improvement over the competition. The Aspire 5 can play many AAA games available today without experiencing memory-related slowness because it has 12GB of 4 decibels RAM. The 15-inch display of the Acer Aspire 5 is a current trend for mid-range gaming laptops. You will be able to enjoy the best games as a result, and top-notch entertainment will be provided at all times. At number 4. Asus VivoBook S15. The Asus VivoBook S15 might not seem like a gaming laptop at first appearance. It is virtually chrome and extremely light. Even some people feel it's a little too chic for their sense of style. But appearances can be deceptive. With a rather remarkable array of internals for its pricing, the VivoBook S15 maintains its position. At its core, this device is powered by an Intel Core i5-8265U processor from the 8th generation. You can run games quickly and with short loading times if you combine this with a 256GB SSD. It is still possible to purchase an upgraded model that contains a 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD for under $800. The cooling system of the Asus VivoBook S15 is another benefit. So that you won't have to worry about having heated palms when playing, it maintains its composure under stress. The S15 features a normal battery life that may last up to 8 hours, which is the cherry on top. At number 5. Lenovo IdeaPad L340. A substantial segment of the market has been serviced by the Lenovo IdeaPad series. IdeaPad computers are widely used by people worldwide. Additionally, they are always incredibly dependable and portable. The series has advanced significantly as well, offering a variety of laptops for use in teaching, streaming, gaming, and any other use you can think of. There are gaming laptops, conventional laptops, ultrabooks, and so on. The Lenovo IdeaPad L340 is a good option if you want an IdeaPad gaming laptop. Even though it appears straightforward, it has sufficient strength to pull you into the game. Lenovo has consistently produced high-quality computers. They become a strong candidate for the title of Best Gaming Laptop under $800, with the IdeaPad L340 serving as its helmsman. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Until next time, I'll see you later.